Hey everybody, Matt here for Layton Sports Cards ripping 2022 Topps 5-Star Baseball Hobby on the fly, 4-box break number 1, random divisions. Here we go. 6 names, all 6 divisions. All right, let's do it. We'll randomize 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Whitney D down to Matthew P. And 9 times on divisions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. AL West down to NL East. Give me just a second here to open up a new spreadsheet. Forgotten to close that one out. There we go. All right, Whitney D down to Matthew P. AL West down to NL East. All right, make these big and bold. All right, we have Whitney D, AL West, Ivan O, NL Central, Michael W, AL Central, Whitney D, AL East, Joe T, NL West, and Matthew P, NL East. I'll get those results posted to the website, and we will get this ripped. All right, there is your link, or there's your link. Grab up your spots for group breaks on the main channel tonight and for daytime release day breaks. 2022 Topps Gold Label. We have 8 pick your team style breaks posted for tomorrow on the Layton Baseball channel. Here we go. All right, let's see some big hits here. Let's get every division on the board. What is that? That is AL East, rookie, purple auto to 50, Luis Gill. AL East, that is Whitney D. And this is awesome. That is NL East, Pentamerous penmanship auto, blue to 15, Mike Piazza, awesome hit, NL East, Matthew P. That isn't, look at that card.
Wow, that's sick.
I think that's the first one of these I've pulled from 5-Star this year. I have not seen that. Awesome hit. Dang. Yeah, no kidding, Matthew. This is NL Central, rookie auto, Aaron Ashby. And AL Central auto, Jose Ramirez. Nice one, AL Central. All right, let's keep this going. We have 4 hits, 4 divisions on the board. I think we just need both of the West divisions on the board for every spot to get a hit. That is AL East, auto to 25, Randy Arozarena. That is blue auto, nice raised color match. AL East is Whitney D. Yeah, no, I hear you. I hear you, Ivan. And AL East, that is rookie jumbo patch auto, 3 of 25, Jarren Duran. Congrats, Whitney. There you go, nice one. All right, let's finish strong here. NL East, rookie auto, Matt Vierling. And on the back, AL East, rookie auto,
Nice.
Wander Franco. Congrats, Whitney. Crushed it. He any good? He any good? Was it Wander Frank?
Wander Franco.
There you go. Congrats on the Wander. We'll mag that one for you. Yeah, you skunked with the AL West, but crushed it with the AL East. Do a recap here in just a sec. Yeah, for sure, Whitney. All right. We'll do that hit recap. We don't have any other boxes in queue, so this will be it for the day. There we go. We had NL East. Oh, I'm sorry. Could you mag that one, please? All right. NL East, rookie auto, Matt Vierling. I'm going through it slow so Christian has time to mag the other card. That is AL East, rookie jumbo patch auto, Jarren Duran. AL East, auto blue, 25 of 25, Randy Arozarena. NL Central, rookie auto, Aaron Ashby. AL Central, auto, Jose Ramirez. Can you make that too? That's AL East, rookie auto purple to 50, Luis Gill. NL East had this Pentamerous penmanship, auto blue to 15, Mike Piazza. Let me get my big dumb hand out of the way there. Awesome Piazza. And AL East, rookie auto, Wander Franco. That'll do it for the break. Thank you, everybody. I'll wrap it up here in just a minute.